I see you tomorrow night?
Sure. But don't you mean tonight?
So I actually have these glasses that I might think would go cute with it. The black brown smoky eye. So I think the one that I'm gonna mainly be taking inspiration from her makeup. Keep the cute makeup brush holder and the Jeffree Star kitty cat mirror. My cats, well, one of my cats in specific is genuinely scared of this. She's also a black cat, so I think it'd be like uncanny valley for her. Palettes to use, because I do want to use a pop of color. I think I'm gonna do this like dark purple, like a plum almost. I have this Lisa Frank palette. I'm looking at this one right here. It's not the deepest purple, but it's definitely purple. I can use it. But I think what is going to work with that is Jeffree Star has the best black eyeshadow that I have ever used, I have ever seen. I love using a lot of black eyeshadow, so if this is still available and you can get it, I would definitely get this Cherry Coke Morphe palette. It's got that Cherry Coke Cola hair color is trending right now, and this is exactly what that color is. It's right on here. Probably going to incorporate the dark purple in here because it looks so dark that it's almost like black. I have this really pretty matte lipstick. I got it from a little goth cafe. I forget where. This is the purple. It's really pretty. Blended it in with my Vaseline. That looks pretty cute, but it's matte, so it's staying on really nicely, which is good. I don't usually have a particular order in the way I do makeup, but I think it's important for me to do my eyebrows first always because that takes the longest. I kind of try to be sparse with my concealer, so I have this Fit Me just like foundation stick that I just use as a base for my eyebrows, and then I go over it, like clean it up with concealer. And okay, so sometimes this happens, sometimes it gets too angry, and so I have to lower the arch, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it up. I usually go over my eyebrows like 3 times because I sometimes put powder over my eyebrows to keep them like there, to set them. So I'm probably gonna have to do it over a few times. But I think that'll do. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I like to use a brush to blend out any and all liquid makeup products. Eyebrows are laid. They are there. Now it's time for the eyes. I think I'm gonna, hold on, let me look at the reference photo again. I don't know if I should do something where the bold color comes under my eye or in the crease of my eye. Maybe I could do both. What I'm gonna do is keep my actual lid like nude, and I'm gonna go in under and in the crease with the purple. I think that'll be good. Elvira and Dita Von Teese are telling me to do a red lip. Not my idea, but I will consider it. So I'm just adding in purple. I'm doing the purple in my crease. Lots of purple. I'm feeling very vampire-y, which I like. And I think I'm gonna bring it in a little bit on the sides. Blend that out with either the nude or just blend it out. Make it soft on the edges. And I actually like that a lot. This is a liquid Halo Glow liquid filter. So it definitely is a glow filter.
And like I'm just wearing my e.l.f. but that dewy setting spray is nothing. The primer is supposed to be that blue primer, the setting spray version of that. Terrible.
To add like a little bit of foundation now. Do like just a little, just some balls. Sometimes I don't even do like foundation on my forehead, but I like to just bring it up like above my eyebrows because you can't really see under my bangs. And then I'll do concealer sometimes right here. Not right under my eye because I feel like it messes with the crease. And I actually don't have primer, so this crease has been like the death of me. Like, been making me so angry. Difference, like you can see the glow in my face. Blends together really nicely. It's almost like an off-white, but it's okay. That's what bronzer's for. Okay, And then with this, I kind of just, first I like to pack it in and then wipe it off. Like this, with the setting powder. Pack it in. And then lightly dust off the excess. And it looks good. I want to be bronzy. I have the e.l.f. contour palette. It says light medium. What I like to do is I like to get the darkest color first. I know this isn't my shade, guys, chill. The cheekbone. Like, right where the cheekbone would be, like, where I want it the sharpest. Not a lot. I use what I put on the brush for both sides, but I feel like it adds the same depth as putting darker color in the crease of your eye. Gonna go in with the lighter brown. The medium brown. I guess this would actually be considered the medium color. And then I kind of cake that on there and then I go in with that. This I'm gonna make into my bronze because I don't actually have a bronzer. So I'm just gonna put it on as blush. Just gonna make sure that that's on well. I'm not afraid of bronzer. And then I'm just gonna go in on the nose. Nothing too crazy. I just make the brush skinny and go on the sides and go under. And if I wanted to, I can make it kind of a button nose. Can you see that? That looks so pretty. I like it. I'm just going on the top lid on the very edge. I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush that already has black eyeshadow on it. Blend that out, definitely going up. I go in with this peachy tone blush that I have.
But this peach has sugar in it, this peach blush, so it balances it out. And the peach is just the right amount of blush too because it's not
Packing that in, it shouldn't be going halfway through my cheek or halfway into my cheek. So what I like to do is just get powder and just kind of blend that out. I have a specific highlighter brush. It's a little Hello Kitty, and you take it out and you pull down its you know what, and then it's a little brush. Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter. I feel like it's important to bring up the highlighter. And then I'm definitely going to put this on my nose. And I think I already did, yeah. And then on my chin. Better than Sex. It's actually one of the best mascaras I've used. Lipstick. And it's pretty, like, it's that color. You know that color? It's this color. But I have this jumbo eyeliner. It's NYX jumbo eyeliner. It's very creamy. I don't like using it for my lips because I use it for my eyes, but I'm gonna have to use it for my lips. We'll see with my hair down. Oh god, I look like a mess right now, but we'll see with my hairstyle how it looks all together and if I want to include those. But yeah, because I also like showing off the shaved sides and I like pinning my hair back. So this is the dress on, and I think it's super cute, and the makeup definitely matches, but I'm definitely missing something right here, and I think I'm gonna do... So you probably saw jewelry behind me, but I also have these right here, and I feel like this would work pretty well. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I put this claw clip in. It's like off-white, and I feel like it goes good with the nude. And yeah,